Good morning, students. Ajay Kumar once again before you with numerical problems based on the chapter Structure of Atom. So first question, how many electrons will weigh 1 gram? Students, in this question we have to find out the number of electrons present in 1 gram mass. Means what will be the number of electrons in 1 gram. My dear students, to solve this question, I want to remind you the absolute mass of an electron. So absolute mass of an electron is equal to 9.11 multiplied 10 to the power minus 28 gram. So from here we will start solving the problem. So here we can write, we know mass of one electron is equal to 9.11 multiplied 10 to the power minus 28 gram. Now students, this is the mass and this is the number of electron. But in the question we have to find out number of electron. So this number of electron should be expressed in the right side. So we can now write here 9.11 multiplied 10 to the power minus 28 gram is equal to 1 electron. Hence 1 gram is equal to this. We can write like this. Now we have to solve this, and after solving whatever we get, that will be answer of this question. So students, you can write this 1 by 9.11 multiplied 10 to the power 28 electrons. Because you are looking here 10 to the power minus 28 is here in denominator. So if you bring it in the numerator, then it will be 10 to the power 28. So I have written here 10 to the power 28. Now we have to remove decimal point from this 9.11. So we can write here 1 multiply 100 by 911 multiply 10 to the power 28. And this will be 100 by 911. Now students, 10 is taken from this, so this you can write 1000 multiplied 10 to the power 27, and on solving you get 1.098 multiplied 10 to the power 27, and this is the answer of this question. So students, in 1 gram the number of electrons will be 1.098 multiplied 10 to the power 27, and this is the answer of these questions. Okay, now one more questions I am going to write here. You can understand, you can see the questions. Questions is suppose a man's body is made of electrons. His body weight is 60 kg. Then what will be number of electrons? What will be number of electrons in his body? Okay. So question is strange here, students. Suppose a man's body is made of entirely electrons and his body weight is if 60 kg, then question is what will be the number of electrons in his body? Okay. So students, this question is also based on the absolute mass of an electron. So we will start solving it. We know 9.11 multiplied 10 to the power minus 31 kg is equal to 1 electron. Hence 60 kg will be equal to multiplied 10 to the power minus 31 multiplied 60 electrons. This many electrons will be in his body. Now on solving, 1 by 9.11 multiplied 60 multiplied 10 to the power 31 we can write. Now this is 60 multiplied 100 by 911 multiplied 10 to the power 31 electrons, and if you solve it you will find 6.59 multiplied 10 to the power 31, and this is the answer of these questions. Okay, so this will be answer of these questions. So students, these two questions I put here before you so that you can understand the concept of mass of an atom. Thank you very much.